Okay, so afternoon, we are now at the head of the Bight, the well centre, and there are tickets. You can see them. Beautiful. Okay, so we're just walking down now the boardwalk, and I can hear a whale breathing. So we'll see if we can spot him. There he is. There's one there.
Two. Separated. Oh, here comes the sun. Oh, there's someone there.
Yeah, I don't know whether you can see them. There's two whales there on the top of the surface. And there's one down here, which is in the shallows. Just goes to show you how close they come to the shore.
Mum and baby.
Head, foot and tail like this one goes. It's got a baby here, so that's baby. Double tail.
Well, good morning and welcome to Panong, the home of Australia's largest windmill and the Pink Lake. Okay, so here we are at the museum here. Right behind me, you'll see all the windmills. And there they are. There you are. Come on, keep pumping.
You showing the water?
Yeah, show the water there. There it's pumping away there.
It does.
The big windmill.
Okay. Here's Colin. Work harder, boy. Work harder. Get that water going.
There you go.
Yeah. There's the water pumping away. Coming out. Cool, eh? Yeah.
Well, welcome to Ceduna on the end of the Nullarbor between Norseman and Ceduna on the air highway. I hope you really enjoyed it. We showed you some good free camps along the way, and we would appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our little channel. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, and share if you need to share with any of your friends regarding the Nullarbor crossing from west to east. Well, good afternoon again. This time we're in Ararat in Victoria and we're parked up at the Green Hill Lake. It's free and you've got a beautiful view looking over the lake, and that's where we're parked up there for tonight. And shortly I'll just put the drone footage up and you're going to see it from the air. So this is it, Green Hill Lake, just outside Ararat in Victoria.